hey guys, we have OPPO K13 Tempo 5G smartphone and OPPO K13 Tempo Strong Wind Cooling Package. So this is the OPPO K13 Tempo smartphone, and this time we have night white color. Biggest feature at this time is powered by a built-in active cooling fan inside. And for this device is get a mecha style design language with dual camera system, and here is surrounded by the RGB light, and the mantle frame, two air outlet, and for the front side it's powered by a 6.8 inch 1.5K display resolution OLED screen. And if we go to the settings, so we can find this time for device is they used MediaTek Dimensity 8450 chips. It's a 4nm chips, and also support LPDDR5 and UFS 3.1. Support 12GB RAM plus 512GB ROM. Front 60MP and rear 50MP for plus 2MP wide angle. For the screen, maximum support 120Hz refresh rate, and the display resolution 2800 by 1280 display resolution. Peak brightness reached to 1600 nits, and the PPI is 453 PPI, touch rate 240. We can adjust the display resolution and also the refresh rate from here. Okay, it's very smooth. And also the battery, 7000 battery with 80 watt fast charging, and also of course the biggest feature about device is support the built-in active cooling fan. Okay. The cooling fan is frequency adjustable, and we can adjust from smooth shifting and also maximum speed, and also we can change the sound effect of the smartphone for games, for outdoor mode, and here the sound effect. So this can provide immersive experience for gaming lovers. And yes, this is the cooling fan. I think we will testing it. Okay, yes, we can hear the sound from the fan inside. We test it with the lighter. Whoa, easy to blow the fire from the lighter. Okay, yes, to adjust the directions, very easy. So we can stop that. If you play games and turn on this cooling fan, this will be pretty nice to reduce the temperature of the smartphone and get a better gaming experience. For the maximum speed of the fan is 18,000 rotator per minute, and also for the cooling temperature reach to 7,000 cubic millimeters. Okay, after the lighter, we can use a piece of paper, 2 layers, and we can find the wind from the smartphone can really blow and change the directions of the paper. And also if we use this to play games, can play Genshin for 6 hours. And if we charge it 54 minutes can fully charge it, and if we turn on the smartphone fan. 1 hour, just reduce a very few battery. And about the camera, this time they used a dual rear camera system, 50 megapixel main camera, f1.8, and 2 megapixel white and black wide angle, and for front 60 megapixel f2.4. It is supported, and also support beauty mode, 10 times zoom maximum, and for the video 4K 60 FPS supported. Support EUV, ISO, white balance, shutter, focus, adjuster for the photo. And also for this device is just around 208 grams, so it's not very heavy. So it's powered by a 7000 big battery, and also the dimension of the device is 162.78 length and 77.2 width, and thickness just 8.31 millimeters. So it's a super nice to hold it for gaming, especially for long time. It also works. This is a cooling fan. Okay, for the video. Yes, so this is the introduction about the smartphone, and it's a bit easy to left your fingerprint on it. And next, let's try to attach the case. And also, this is a case with mechanic pin, and also there's a window to check the recycling of the water. And also we can use the mechanic connection cooling fan. Here are 2 mechanic pin, and we can fix it, attach it here. And now we can use it, and we can adjust the fan working power, and also we need to connect it to the electricity. And also here the charging is supported Type-C charging dot. Okay, it's 10 ohm, and with a blue light inside. So with the built-in fan and extra outside fan, and also the cooling case is a triple cooling technology supported device. It's a new species in the market. So this is a super nice gaming phone for the entry level users. And next, let's try to test the weight. If we hand it for a long time, maybe it gets retired, but just 558 with all the stuff. But normally we will not hold the power bank, because we can change it to a long cable. And I mentioned for the smartphone it's just 208, and for the fan it's just 50 grams. Okay, so if we hand it on hand with the power bank, it's just 558, so it's also okay. And we can find for the fan, it's also get a 17, the 13 fan blade inside with just 0.1 millimeters thickness of the fan. And we can also try to testing the cooling technology performance with the infrared sensors from Sapir. This is a very nice and powerful industrial supported infrared sensor. Okay, it's 8.9 just centigrade, and here is 17 centigrade. And for the cooling fan, its maximum can reduce to around 33 centigrade. You know, it's just 27 watts, but it's much power than the 30-watt cooling fan from other brand, and maximum 33 centigrade temperature. This device can decrease, and for the cooling fan, it can reach to the -8 centigrade. So it can really blow the hot air from the smartphone to our side. It can decrease 10 centigrade in just 5 seconds. Okay, so it's with the smartphone. Yes, 209. So it's accurate. Here is just 133 or 35. So it's okay, especially for a long time holding for the device. So this is a very quick testing of the OPPO K13 Tempo Basic Edition and also the Strong Wind package. Thanks for watching. Let's attend the video more catch from here, and we can have more sample pictures and enjoyed the self pictures. Bye bye.